Hello everyone now. Happy August 23rd. Today we celebrate relaxing rituals, hilarious animals, and comfort in motion. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Sponge Cake Day. A fluffy celebration of light-as-air desserts. A perfect gift could be a sponge cake kit, a dessert decorating set, or a bakery gift card. Prefer it classic or filled? Let us know in the comments. Next, it's International Blind Dog Day. A heartwarming reminder that vision doesn't define love or joy. A thoughtful gift could be a dog toy set, a donation to a special needs rescue, or a custom pet portrait. Know a furry fighter? Tell us their story. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's Ride the Wind Day. A celebration of soaring, dreaming, and feeling free. A great gift could be a skydiving voucher, a kite kit, or a journal for new adventures. What helps you feel free? Let us know below. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for September 26th to 30th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!